Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and pick General Management and go to Reset. Here you will notice Reset Settings, simply click on it, and if you truly want to reset your tablet to its default settings except the security, language and account settings, then click on Reset Settings. And now confirm that you would like to do it, because this operation cannot be undone and your device will be restarted. So click on Reset if you want to do it and wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see now, you can simply swipe to unlock and set up all the settings from the beginning. So that's all. This is how you can reset settings in your Galaxy Tab A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.